Galaxies. A galaxy is simply defined as a collection of stars and interstellar gas who are gravitationally attracted to each other. The galaxies vary greatly in shape and size. Some galaxies, like our own, form massive spiral shapes. Others are just large elliptical blobs. There are also small galaxies known as dwarf galaxies that orbit our own. Galaxies can also collide to form even more interesting and complex shapes. In fact, the Andromeda Galaxy is expected to collide with our own in 4 billion years. It's a common misconception that a collision like this would lead to destruction on a massive scale. In fact, stars are much more spread out within galaxies than we realize. Most stars will pass harmlessly between each other, rarely having any effect on our actual solar system. Our galaxy is known as the Milky Way and is home to over 200 billion stars. This may seem like a lot, but it is about average for most galaxies. The largest galaxy discovered in our universe is IC1101. It's home to about 100 trillion stars, a number so large it's hard to conceptualize. Most galaxies have a supermassive black hole at their heart, which everything orbits about. These black holes are usually harmless and material simply orbits them without being sucked in. However, young galaxies can have very active black holes which absorb lots of material. At a certain point, there may be more material flowing into the black hole than it can handle, causing some of it to be ejected out of the black hole's poles at incredible speeds. This is what is known as a quasar and is seen throughout the universe. Up until the 20th century, humans believed that our galaxy was all that existed. The technology didn't exist to give them the ability to look deep into the universe and turn pins of light into clear images we see today. In 1922, Edwin Hubble was the first man to prove that other galaxies existed. He was able to take numerous measurements and use math to show that these complex shapes were much too distant to be considered part of our galaxy. This discovery fundamentally changed the way we see the universe today. Currently, Hubble's name lives on as the Hubble telescope, which scientists have recently used to observe thousands of other galaxies in amazing detail.